Hi there! My name is Teacher Nico, and I've been an ESL teacher for the past 2 years. I hold a TFL certificate, which has equipped me with the skills and knowledge to help students improve their English effectively. In my teaching journey, I've had the pleasure of working with students of all levels, from young children to professional adults. I also specialize in preparing students for English proficiency exams such as IELTS, ACAN, TOEFL, and TOEIC. My goal is to help you achieve your language goals, whether it's for academic, professional, or personal reasons. I believe that learning English can be fun and engaging, and I strive to create a supportive and interactive environment in my classes. I look forward to helping you on your English learning journey. Thank you.